Hey guys, and welcome back. So in this video I am going to be guiding you through how to transfer money from Apple Pay to your bank account. So this is super simple. Once you have your Apple Pay on your iPhone, you basically need to connect inside your Apple Pay your bank account. So whatever the bank that you're using, you can simply first check that whether it is eligible or not. So yeah, once you have that done, and then you can easily make a transaction, enter in here your debit card number. And the point to be noted here is that you do have a certain amount of fee, which is not that much, but yeah, you can use it. And once you have your bank account in there, it is going to be looking something like this, and you can easily make your transaction. So that's how simple it is, and I hope this is going to be helping. If it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.